Why? 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 Why?
What was that, boss? Why you want to me?
I didn't want to feel like, yeah?
Bro.
That's okay. Have a good day, yeah?
Drive safe, man.
First off, you can obviously tell that the bikers are going over the speed limit, but aside from that, you'll notice that the biker starts to go a little wide up here, and when he tries to lean in more to correct it, he ends up sliding out.
There we go. That's why.
In this clip, I'd say that both parties are kind of at fault here, but unfortunately, I think the biker is more at fault just due to the aggressive passing. Both the SUV and the biker didn't signal and change lanes in an intersection, so it's kind of tough to call. Luckily, nothing happened other than the one guy that got the daylight scared out of him.
Go!
A few moments later.
Use these, please. Use these. What's that? I know, but you didn't even use your mirrors. Alright?
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You wanna pop that kickstand down? Thank you.
Dude, good thing you have a GoPro, man. Well, if you're recording on that.
This brings us to the end of the episode, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about some of those clips, and I'll be sure to respond to you. Also, don't forget to comment Mayhem Army down below so I also know that you made it to the end of the video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
So strong.